Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check Facebook monetization criteria in your Facebook. This is very quick and easy plus surprising. How to check monetization Facebook criteria on your Facebook profile. First of all, here go to your click on your profile button and here you can see professional dashboard. Simply you have to click on this professional dashboard. Here you can see, simply click on this professional dashboard. After that, what you need to do, and here you can see your all Facebook page reach and analytic of your Facebook page. Now what you need to do, you need to click on monetization. Here you can see, simply click on monetization and here you can see, now scroll down and here click on in-stream ads. Here you can see, simply click on in-stream ads. Now click on this icon and here you can see, here you need to complete this 5000 your follower and 600 hour watch time. And here you can say you have to upload 5 active videos. Now after that you need to complete this criteria. After completing this criteria you will be able to monetize your Facebook page.